Today I'm going to show you how to cartoonize and add a bobblehead effect in Photoshop. First, let's crop our image by going to Select, then choosing Subject. Next, go back to Select, but this time choose Select and Mask. In the Refine Mode section, make sure Object Aware is selected. Click on the Refine Hair. And in the Output Settings section, choose Output to New Layer with Layer Mask. Then click OK. Right-click on your layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. Right-click again, but this time choose Rasterize Layer. Using your pen tool, crop the head part of your subject up to the jawline. Once done, right-click inside the path and select Make Selection. Now choose your rectangular marquee tool, and right-click in the middle of the selected marquee and choose Layer via Cut. Decrease the size of the body part by at least 60%. Now clean your image using the Eraser tool or Pen tool, and you may rotate the head a little to add some action to the image. Next, using your Burn tool, you may add a little shadow on the neck part. Then on your keyboard, press and hold Ctrl and select both the head and body layer. Right-click and choose Merge Layers. Next, duplicate your layer. Then hide the newly duplicated layer for now, because we will focus on the first layer. Go to Filter, and choose Filter Gallery. Choose Poster Edges. Set the edge thickness and edge intensity to 0, and posterization to 2 or 3. Then click OK. Now go to Filter, Stylize, and choose Oil Paint. Set the stylization to 4. Cleanliness to 3. Scale to 4. And last, bristle detail to 10. You can always play around with the sliders. Most of the time, different photos have different settings. It depends on the image angle, color, and light source. Next, let's do the same with the duplicated layer, but this time with different settings. Go to Filter, and choose Filter Gallery, and choose Poster Edges. Set the edge thickness to 10. Edge intensity to 2, and posterization to 2 or 3. Then click OK. Now go to Filter, Stylize, and choose Oil Paint. We can use the same settings that we used on the first layer. Then click OK. Then adjust the layer opacity to 30. Select both layers by holding Ctrl on your keyboard and clicking on both layers. Right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Next, add a new Levels layer. Adjust the slider until it starts to look like a cartoon. That's it. A simple tutorial on how to cartoonize your image and add a bobblehead effect. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video and thank you for watching.